I don't think I've touched on it, but I think I'll do a story time on what really happened. Morning. It's a beautiful morning. It's Sunday. We're on our way to Walmart. I don't know why. It's windy as all get out. So yeah, I got a lot of comments yesterday about our neighbors. I don't think I've touched on it, but I think I'll do a story time on what really happened. But Rob started dinner. Look at him. It's windy. It's like really windy.
Damn lattice is like, I don't want to
rocking back and forth. I hate the wind. I always feel like our house is gonna blow away when it gets windy. Huh?
Look at the trampoline.
The trampoline is blowing away? We need to take some scissors to the hair. It has no purpose. It's just growing to grow.
Grow, doggy. Grow. I eat peanut butter. I can't flip it over.
This is being annoying.
Good morning, friends.
It's a tripod.
Everybody wants a cigarette.
There you go.
Huh?
Your cigarette.
What about him?
It's laying in the well. Liquid. What? Oh, we need coffee. That's what's too.
Wait, that's just saying short, right?
So Satan, with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me.
Come here.
Yeah, Destiny, get over there.
Yeah, Daddy. You get over there. Yes, you.
Ooh.
You get over there. Father. The vacuum.
What?
Oh, vacuum. Look at this head. Okay, what's in it for me?
Go change your dirty pants. You've been wearing them for 2 weeks now.
Yep.
You disgusting man.
I wash them every day.
No, you don't.
It does that, doesn't see it.
I do.
You know for a fact you don't wash them things.
I wash them every day.
Don't take your dirty pants off, Rob. They got oil stain.
That's
They got evidence that they're being worn out,
I
Rob.
wash them every day.
Where's your other clothes? You don't have anything else? Rob needs donation. We need to start a GoFundMe for Rob.
Go fun.
I'm getting a new pair on Friday.
On Friday?
Yeah.
No, I'm getting the core stuff on Friday. I have to go
No.
get stuff. No, I
I told you every payday I get something else. Something
no,
new.
but I have to go get the core stuff. Stuff is still on clearance, you
Work
know.
harder.
I can't work any harder.
Then
The money I bring in here is just that.
Then
It's,
do what you can do with your little money. I'm getting myself something.
I don't get paid until the 21st.
Why don't you wait for G-Core for the 21st? Like I wait for payday. I have to wait for payday.
Wait.
Why are you trying to interfere with my payday? I don't interfere with your payday.
Because you gotta pay for pum pum allowance.
You're already living in something.
No, I need pum pum allowance.
Too bad, not here.
Not here. Then you get no more pum pum.
Alright. I'm fine with that.
Oh, you cheating on me, Rob? You fine with that? You see how quick you were able to give that up? You have some somewhere.
You're driving a new truck, you got a new house. That is pum pum allowance right there.
A new house and a new car is pum pum allowance? No.
Yep.
That's called basic
Stop destroying it.
living expense.
Ah.
Anybody got money? Jordan, you have any money?
No, I'm broke.
You broke?
No, you got 60
How long you
cents
been broke?
in your head.
Some months.
Give me your money, Jason.
My
I'm
wallet's.
poor.
I don't know.
There's no
So,
point.
some months? How many?
Some money.
My wallet still smells new.
Dang.
Oh, Lord. Dang. His wallet still smells new. Which in his defense, when we leave the house and come back here, like if we spend a night away, we come back, the house smells like brand new, like, you know, new construction home. Always.
That's weird.
It is.
They're not here.
Robin is Christmas outfit.
Yep.
Yeah.
You're wearing it.
Sweater.
Why
Rob.
you flinch? You thought I was gonna beat you?
No.
Jason's an abused child.
He just flinched. Like, what's wrong with you?
Ow, my foot hurts.
Okay, we're legit leaving for Walmart right now. We wasted way too much. You're not going, Destiny?
Why?
Why are you guys not coming?
I know.
Something is smelling fishy here.
Yep.
What do you mean?
You're not playing on tablets.
Yeah, y'all not being on technology.
So,
So you either clean up your room, get your stuff ready for school tomorrow. Yeah, now all of a sudden y'all want to go to Walmart.
you guys have school tomorrow.
Yep, all the kids go back to school tomorrow. Tomorrow's the 6th.
Yay.
Back to chauffeuring. Someone was asking for an update on the kids in terms of their school. And we have major changes coming up for all 5 of our children. So stay tuned for that. You guys are going to be shocked when I tell y'all what we're going to do with them. Especially Freak Boy over there. Anyway, I'm going to go to Walmart and I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit. They're coming. So, let's see. Try this one on. Oh, somebody put something down in there. Ow.
Jacob. Ha.
She put a shoe in there.
That hurts.
Put a shoe in a shoe.
Okay. Look at that, guys.
I saw your
It's coming.
That looks like it's hurt.
Rob said I should send them back. I'm not sending them back. Your girl is going to be wearing her under boots soon.
Oh,
So,
are you wearing them now?
the crease is here. And then
This is called the ugly.
in the back. But they're supposed to be straight and not crooked. But your girl got some big calf.
You guys saw them stuff?
Oh my gosh. They're coming because before I couldn't put tights and them on. So
That's uncomfortable.
shut up, Rob.
No, that chick was never going to
What? Guys, we're getting ready to leave, but Rob put on dinner. Woo, smells good.
Put the
He
wrong
put it
foot.
on low. Why did you put it on low? No, put it back on high. It should be okay while we're gone. There's enough water. Yeah, should be good. Judge, you're not going, buddy. Put her other. Where's her socks, Destiny? You didn't put socks on her? No. It's fine. It's fine.
Push,
Please put socks on her when you get her dressed.
push, 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 push.
Juju, get in the house. Juju, Juju, get in the house. You will run.
Okay.
Go, Booze. Come on, Booze.
No,
Let's go.
Everybody looks good when they do.
So we didn't go for a walk today because it's windy and I'm not about that life. And I woke up and I gained weight. Rob lost weight and I'm like, what? We do the same thing. We eat the same thing. So how is it that I'm gaining weight and he's losing weight? I'm just like angry. I'm very angry about that because I'm like, don't look at me, Rob. Don't. Cause I got a good mind punching you just
You want to
because.
sniff my butt?
I don't want to sniff your butt.
Did you tell them how you want to sniff my butt? She wants to sniff my butt.
I don't sniff butt. Jason said, okay.
Tell them. Don't hide it.
Robert, you the booty sniffer. You're a booty sniffer,
You're
Rob.
an African booty scratcher.
Ah! What does African have to do with this conversation? Are you racist, Rob?
Nope.
Okay. Don't be low-key racist, okay? Because I don't want no lipstick alley and black Twitter coming for
What
me.
is that?
Black Twitter comes for, you know, people that are in interracial relationship and their husband is like low-key racist.
How are you low-key racist if you're
Oh, trust me.
from race?
People get with black women for multiple reasons. It's a fantasy, all of that. I'm nobody's fantasy, baby. I'm a snack.
I need one potato.
They're making white.
Let's go get one potato. Come on.
Let's do it.
Daddy, you gonna check out? Oh. Watch out.
Somebody needs a bag.
You
Somebody
can.
bag.
You can. I can't get out.
Bag.
I can't get out.
You're a liar.
Actually, you can.
Not bag. Here, you want my keys.
You can get out. You can get out.
Sweet potato?
Select from list or key in the item's code.
Oh, it did. Banana?
Select from list or key in the item's code.
40, 11.
Can I get in?
Banana.
80 cents. Can't be.
Oh my gosh. Can you guys pass me the item at least?
Okay.
No, just stand there.
Excuse me.
Okay, wait fast. Do I scan the water? I don't really want to touch that. You have to press the bottom. Okay, that's it.
Please check your basket. Scan additional items now or touch up insert cash or select payment type. Use pin pad to complete transaction.
Yeah, the main one you can.
Would you like cash back? No.
Why not?
Thank you. Right. Oh, you left the child out there by himself? Oh my gosh, babe, why would you leave the special kid?
What is that supposed to mean?
I hope he doesn't get hit.
He gets hit.
Oh, Lord. Oh, he made it safely.
Mommy, Daddy.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
Because no, she was recording everybody. I get into the car.
Ah, thank you, Jesus. He made it.
What do you mean I made it?
You're running and there's a car. You could have gone.
Look at this, folks. Rob is trying to jack up my truck. Look how close the garage door came to my baby. Look at that. Like, he don't know how to park. All right, get the stuff out the car. Jack, help.
There's nothing else.
There's nothing else? Oh, wow. Look at that.
I didn't even have to help.
It smells like heaven in this kitchen. It smells good, Rob.
Oh, smell your food. Smell your food.
So I'm going to be starting a fast because I got to make I got to make weigh-in. So I'm going to start a fast. I'm going to take you guys along the journey. Today is day 1. I should have did a weigh-in, but I need to put y'all somewhere because my arm hurts. Rob, it smells good. Oh, I feel like I don't need to fast today because I need me something to eat. Man, Rob, maybe I should start fasting tomorrow. So I think I'm gonna do the fast tomorrow because Rob's food smell good. Put this in the thing for me. Rob food smell amazing. We went to get Rob some Olay. He used the bar soap. We got one potato. We got one potato for the week for him. Banana for his breakfast.
No, that's not for the week.
This is for his stew today. We got one classic iceberg lettuce for salad this week. Two things of purified water because I'm getting ready to start a water fast. But after this, I'm going to boil the water and put it in the bottle and drink a gallon of water a day just to hydrate because I feel like I'm dehydrated. Milk, cereal for the kids that are in private school, breakfast, and classic roast. Coffee because I need coffee, I do. And toilet paper because these kids poop a lot, so we need that. And 2 loaves of bread. I forgot bread. Stick. Is there bread out?
Yeah.
Stick both of them in the freezer.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies.
Dinner's all done. Did you get the spoon?
Jason,
No?
are you wanting to drink your water?
Did you get the spoon?
Your water though.
Okay. Enjoy, okay?
No.
I hope you like it.
And drink it and put it back down.
Enjoy. No?
Yeah,
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What water?
I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Bye, bye, bye.